In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Jockey coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Jockey coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that we want to get this 25% discount, which is also a verified code that has a success rate of 100%. So all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code and use it on your next purchase to get a 25% discount. Also, we have right here this website, which is called Marie Clary. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes as well. And we can use this one to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 20% discount of your first purchase. All you need to do is just select this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can apply this promo code on your first order so that you can get a 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.